Welcome to Lilanies, your ultimate destination for high-quality gate hardware. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional installer, we have everything you need to create the perfect sliding gate system. Our extensive range includes durable sliding gate kits, precision-engineered gate tracks, reliable guide plates, and smooth rolling rollers. All our products are crafted to ensure longevity and performance. Experience seamless functionality with our top-notch hardware. Our kits are designed for easy installation, ensuring you can set up your sliding gate with confidence and ease, no matter your level of expertise. Join our community of happy customers who trust Lilanies.co.uk for their gate hardware needs. We take pride in offering excellent customer service and support every step of the way, ensuring satisfaction. Our customers love us. With a 5-star rating and glowing reviews, you can shop with peace of mind knowing you're getting quality products. We are committed to maintaining high standards in everything we offer. We believe in providing not just great products, but also exceptional service. That's why we ensure your orders are packed securely and shipped promptly, reaching you in perfect condition every time. So why wait? Transform your space today with our premium gate hardware and discover the difference with Lilanies. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and exclusive offers tailored just for you. Thank you for choosing Lilanies for your gate hardware needs. We look forward to serving you and helping you achieve the perfect sliding gate system. Visit our website to explore our full range of products.